Kulelat. Yun. Pang thumbnail lang yun guys. Yun, kulelat tayo guys. Kulelat sa revenue. $1 lang. Anyway, ayos lang. Ayos lang yun, ayos lang yun. So, $1. So, alas magkasunod lang kami ni Mel TV. Yun. Actually kami nasa baba ni Mel TV sa kulelat sa revenue. Pero, ang masusure ko lang, pagdating sa views, kulelat sa rin.
Oy, shoutout sa Team Kabali.
Yun.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you.
Revenue kulelat, views kulelat. Pero doon ako kami sa ano. Ako. Kasi tinitingnan ko mga upload. Doon kami habol sa number of videos uploaded. Doon kami doon kami hataw ni Mel. So doon kami may laban. So 10,000 din 'yon. 'Di ba? Yun lang. Kaya inahatawan ko. Di ba sana doon kami Pero ngayon monitor ko yung mga monitor ko yung mga upload ng mga kalaban namin. Hindi naman kalaban pangit pakinggan yun. Yung mga challenger na lang. Yung mga challenger, hindi naman kasi kami na magkakaaway dito. Kalaban kasi kaaway. Monitor ko yung mga ng challenger. So far yung kami ni Mel yung may pinakamarami. So yun. Pero pagdating sa guys, pagdating sa tinitingnan ko kasi. Nandito sa tinitingnan ko kasi. Konti lang sila, maximum of lang sila 2. Kaya. Hindi kakayanin niya. At least, di ba? Not bad na yun. Nakuha mo rin yun. Tapos, di ko alam kung anong twist eh. Hindi ko alam anong twist nila, sir. Dumplings. May twist daw sa Chinese namin na to eh. Ano kaya twist guys? Di ba? Ano? Twist nga eh. Hindi natin alam. So bukas, ngayon? Ito, i-upload ko to. I-upload ko to bukas na to. So siguro mamaya, birthday ni Marv Tadjakero. So pupunta ako Biyernes, tas Saturday magpapa-feeding kami dun sa mga bata dun sa Pulo. Sorry, sa Pulo. So yun lang. Yun na katatapos ko rin i-replay yung ano ni Vidogs, yung kanyang tag dito, yung kanyang upload. So yun, yung kanyang live, yung kanyang live. So yun, live streaming kanina. So yun. Wait, pasensya nga pala, sorry, natok na ako guys. Pasensya pala, sorry kay Boss Dumpling, di ba? Kasi pumunta siya kanina sa aking live. Siguro 10 seconds na lang. Si Buddy Alex pa nga nakakita sa kanya na na pumasok bigla. Sir Dumpling, pasensya na po. Hindi na kita nadyakitan. Kasi nag-end na po ako kasi siyempre ayaw ko nang lumampas ng 1 hour. Diba? Baka makick out. Nasa huli na nga tayo tapos makikick out pa tayo. So yun, pasensya na po. So next time na lang po. Pero nagpa-message naman ako kay Buddy Alex na pakisabi kay Boss Dumpling na pasensya na talaga. Kasi nga, yun nga, pa-end na ako, tapos bigla siyang pumasok. Sabi raw, nagtatano daw siya. Ibig sabihin, paikot-ikot siya sa mga nagla-live siguro or sa mga sa aming mga challengers. So, yun. So, salamat po sa pagdalaw sa channel ko. At, again guys, yung sino man nakapanood sa akin, yung mga video ko po ay nasa playlist. Sorry. 12:07 na guys. Ito, may playlist ako sa... Pupunta ka sa video ko. Actually, may mga... Lahat ba na i-playlist ko na? Tingnan ko to. Kung na-playlist na ito yung isa. Playlist. May pang hindi pa Ito. Playlist. Ito, sa dami ng upload ko ngayong araw, sa aking upload ko ngayon siguro 4 ngayon, di ba? 4 13 1 2 3 4 5 videos na upload ko guys ngayon. Actually 6 yan eh. 6 yan eh. So 6 to 7 yan eh. So yun. Tapos ngayon nag-ano ako sa aking 98% na. Tapos upload ko dito. Premiere. Isiset ko lang ng Premiere din. Yun guys para makita nyo ang aking ginagawa. Ayan 90 ilang percent yan. Ayan. Kunti na lang. Ayan. So yan. Pwede na to. Yan guys. Pwede na ko ng ilagay ko muna. Panoorin nyo ako. Actually, pwede ko ng X i-upload. Diba? Kailan wala pa akong title na ito. Wala pa akong title. Ano yung title? Pinakamahirap din guys sa pag-content. Ay pag-upload. Ay pag-content. Siyempre kasama niyan. Yung alam mo yung pag-ano ng title. Yan guys. Yung sorry. Yung paghahanap ng pag-isip ng title. Ayun Bang! Yan. Tapos thumbnail. Yan. Yung ginagawa ko ngayon guys. Mag-iisip ako ng title ko na ito ngayon. Yan. Diba? Nakakaano mag-isip ng goal. Ay! Buti na lang yung naisip ko. Ngayon pala guys, sa mga YouTuber, nabigyan ko lang. Hindi ako nagdudunong-dunungan dito or whatnot. ito na lang. Sa mga nag-YouTube guys, kasi di ba maraming minsan na-encounter na mga problema sa YouTube gaya ng kung may strike ka ba or mga violation sa YouTube. Guys, ang gawin nyo, kasi ito rin naman ang ginagawa. May ano sa GoPro ko. So ginagawa, kahit si Bidogs na yung ginagawa guys. Hindi ko inagawa ng hindi ko inagawa ng ano si Bidogs. Hindi ko inagawa ng trabaho. Ano lang, tip lang naman sa mga gustong may tanong kahit ano sa YouTube. Google is the key. Google is the key. That's the key. Type nyo lang kung anong mga violation na kailangan mong, kung anong klaseng violation yung maaari mong ano sa YouTube may encounter, ganun, mga copyright strike, i-type mo lang sa YouTube, sa Google. Yun guys, kaya yung sinasabi kanina sa YouTube, for example, may tanong kayo like copyright strike, so pwede lang i-type what are the different kinds of copyright strike. Bibigyan ng examples, may ilalabas yan sa YouTube, di ba? So, what are the situation for me to get copyright strike? You just gonna type down sa Google. For example, what are the situation for me to be able to get copyright strike or examples. So, maglalabas lahat yun. Or copyright, even just copyright. Right? So, may strike kasi, may copyright, saka may copyright strike din. So, may mga copyright lang naman na nakalagay this would not affect your channel. Parang this will not affect your channel, something like that. So, may isang application na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Ito ang pangalan niya. Dula. D-O, kita ba? D-O-L-A. So, sa mga content creator, kunyari may mga question kayo. Ako hindi ko pa nagagamit ito. Paano kung may question tayo sa YouTube? Diba? Pwede ba tayo gamitin to? Dati itong CICI. Actually, nakita kami ni Japper Sniper. Nag-asa ko sa kanya, in-introduce ko sa kanya to. Na application na to. Kahit anong question mo, pwedeng masagot na ito. Kahit anything, pwede ka. Pero, tatry ko to sa YouTube. Right? So, tanungin natin guys. I-press and hold nyo lang to. Gusto nyo magtanong. Diba? Yung microphone icon. Yan. Hey Dura, how you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Just here and ready to assist you with anything you need. How about you? How's your day going? Anything interesting happening?
Diba? Inglesero. Yun guys. Tanungin natin to si Dula. Alright? So yan. Kung talagang makakasagot to yung pagdating sa YouTube, diba? Tanungin natin. Kasi itong application na to, lahat ng tinanong ko dito, nasasagot niya, tama. Kahit mga actually guys, kahit mga assignment, mga mommies dyan, mga parents dyan, gusto nyo, mag-install lang kayong Dula. Malaking tulong. Hi Dula. How are you doing today?
Hey, I'm feeling good and ready to chat. How about you? How's your day going so far? Anything on your mind?
I'm doing fine, Dula.
That's great to hear. I'm glad you're doing fine. If there's anything you'd like to talk about or need help with, just let me know. I'm here for you.
Thank you, Dula. Yeah, I just want to ask, what are those examples of copyright strike on YouTube?
You're welcome. Here are some clear examples of copyright strikes on YouTube, based on real cases and common situations. 1. Uploading copyrighted content. Uploading movies, TV shows, or music videos without permission. For instance, uploading a full-length film or popular music video can lead to a copyright strike. 2. Using copyrighted music without permission. Including copyrighted songs in your videos without licensing or rights clearance. Even background music can cause issues if not properly licensed. 3. Displaying copyrighted images or artwork. Using images, artwork, or logos owned by others without authorization. For example, showing copyrighted brand logos or famous artwork in your videos. 4. Remixing or editing copyrighted material. Creating remixes or edits of copyrighted songs or videos without rights. This can include mashups or altered versions of protected content. 5. Uploading videos with copyrighted game footage. Posting gameplay videos or live streams of video games that are copyrighted. While many game publishers tolerate gameplay videos, some may issue strikes if they believe their content is used improperly. 6. Using content from other creators without permission. Sharing someone else's video or part of it without authorization can result in a strike, especially if the copyright owner files a claim. 7. Infringing on copyrighted trademarks. Using protected trademarks or logos in your thumbnails or videos without permission. Example from web pages. One example from a YouTube video discusses a user who received a copyright strike after uploading a video that was claimed by a Korean company, despite the video being from February 2022 and not infringing directly. The user was told the video had no content ID match, but still received a strike, which they found confusing and frustrating. Another example involves a user fighting a bogus copyright strike after their video was falsely claimed, and YouTube was unhelpful in resolving the issue. This shows how sometimes copyright strikes can be mistaken or unfair. Visual example. This illustrates how even mentioning or using certain phrases or logos can sometimes trigger automated copyright claims or strikes. If you want more details or specific cases, feel free to ask.
Diba? Dami niyang ano? Ang dami niyang may lamok. Pumasok sa kanina. Tagbo konti pa may malamok na pumasok. Ano? Diba? Ang dami niyang sinabi, diba? Actually, yung mga sinabi niya, nandito rin yan. Yung conversation niya, yung mga sinasabi niya din lumalabas yan, guys. Kaya kung hindi niyo naintindihan, lahat naman yan dito, nakasulat dito. Sinasabi niya. Nandito yun. Lahat ng mga sinabi niya nandyan yan. Basahin niyo lang. Pwede yung screenshot. Something like that. So, tatanungin ko lang kung, kasi baka makapirate ako using this application. Tatanungin ko lang.
You're wondering if using me could lead to a copyright strike on YouTube. The answer is no. Using me directly won't cause you to get a copyright strike. Here's why. I don't create or upload content directly to YouTube. I'm an AI assistant, and my purpose is to provide information and assist with tasks. I don't have the ability to upload videos or manage YouTube channels. Copyright strikes are based on content uploaded to YouTube. Copyright strikes occur when copyrighted material is used without permission in a video uploaded to YouTube. My responses are for information purposes. Any text, suggestions, or ideas I provide are meant to assist you, but it's up to you to ensure that any content you create and upload to YouTube complies with copyright law. So, you can use me to brainstorm ideas, get information, or improve your video scripts without worrying about getting a copyright strike just because you're using me. Just remember that if you use any of my suggestions or information in your videos, it's still your responsibility to make sure you have the rights to use any copyrighted material.
Diba? Galing niya. Diba? Ganun lang. Kahit ano, guys, anything under the sun. Basta nakaka-capture niya siguro. Kasi ka application to. Ano tayong itatanong natin, guys? Ito, kalukuhan tatanong natin. Dula, are you in love?
As a personal assistant, I don't experience emotions like love in the same way humans do. My main goal is to provide you with excellent support and assistance. I'm here to help with your tasks and make your day a little easier.
Dula, when's gonna be your birthday?
As a personal assistant, I don't have a birthday in the traditional sense. But if I were to pick a day to celebrate my creation, I'd choose today. It's always a good day to appreciate the amazing technology that brings us together.
Di ba? Araw-araw birthday niya. Pag tinanong mo yan bukas, sasabi niya, I pick today. Di ba? Hindi ka lang ni Dula. Di ba? Isa bang tanong? Kahit mga math, kaya nang sagutin ito. Dula, what is the square root of 1 million?
The square root of 1 million is 1,000.
Diba? Yun lang, guys. So, kung may mga tanong kayo, kasi sabi naman ni Dula, I won't get copyright strike using her. Diba? Kaya, perfect. Can use this one. Any question you have in mind, si Dula lang. Diba? Lahat, kahit mga assignment, guys. Tapos yung mga assignment nyo, kunyari may mga assignment kayo, dito to, tinawa. Hindi nyo alam, parang si Google din to eh. Kung hindi nyo alam, kunyari itong image, hindi mo alam. Kunyari ako, hindi ko alam na wallet to. Tingnan natin kung ma-recognize niya. Pipicturean lang natin. Pinicturean kang wallet.
Certainly. Here's a description of the image. The image shows a Louis Vuitton Damier Graphite Multiple Wallet. It features a classic checkerboard pattern in shades of gray and black. The wallet is made from coated canvas and has a compact, bifold design. The Louis Vuitton logo is subtly visible on the canvas. This stylish wallet is perfect for organizing cards and cash, making it a functional and fashionable accessory. What else can I help you with regarding this image? Do you want to know more about its features, care instructions, or where to purchase it?
I'm good, Dula. Thank you for your help today, okay? You do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist you today. Thank you for the kind words, wishing you a wonderful day too. If you ever need anything, just reach out. Bye-bye and take care.
Diba, guys? Close. Diba? Ganun lang. Diba? Kahit ano na hindi nyo alam. Di ko alam kung siguro, some of you, alam na yan. Pero sa hindi nakakaalam, yeah. Diba? Simpleng application, guys. Big help for you guys. So, yan. Let the content ko ngayon, guys. Walang maisip. So, again, shout out. Salamat sa lahat lang nakanood. Ano lang to, parang for your information lang to, guys. Kasi sa atin, alam natin, yung iba sa atin, alam na to. Pero yung iba, wala. Siguro hindi nila alam. Again, ang application niya ay Dula. Dula. Nasa na yun? Yeah, yan o. Ay, sorry. Yan o. Yan siya. D-O, yung di ko lang makita. Kita ba? Yan. D-O-L-A, yung babae. Diba? Yan, guys. So, pwede ko i-upload to kasi sabi ni Dula, using her as an application, I won't get copyright strikes. So, I'm safe. Sniper Dudes, shoutout. Team Kabady, Badi lang ilang. Shoutout Marvin, shoutout Michelle, mga anak ni Badi lang ilang. Shoutout Marge. God bless us all. Peace out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po.
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.